everyone, this is Teacher Laura and this is my kitchen for Little Leopard class, and I'm coming to your house and we're going to do some fun baking. So today we're making pizza, but who doesn't love pizza? Because I do, and I'm going to show you how. So you will need slices of bread and some cheese, and you can add any other things that you prefer to like to put on your pizza, but I love cheese, a lot of cheese. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your slices of bread on a plate because we don't want to make a mess, and then you're going to put some cheese on, and you can put on ham, you can put bologna, whatever you want to put on. So I'm putting cheese on. Let's put some cheese on. Ooh, Teacher Laura loves cheese. And we're gonna add all the nice yummy ingredients, and we're gonna make our own homemade pizza. There we go, and I am done, and you can add anything that you want to add because pizza is fun. And we're putting it in the oven for 20 minutes. And the pizzas are done 20 minutes later. And this is what your pizza's gonna look like. And now it's snack time. Woo! Yay! And thank you so much for baking with me. And enjoy your snack. Bye!